Lyndall Warden, who's one of um, he was one of Neville's contemporary students, is still around, and I was gonna say alive, but I was like, nothing here is alive. Um, he still does talks. Um, he does phone interviews with another person, DeCarlo Eskridge, and they post their chats. And Lindell, he repeats a lot of things intentionally. That's his style, because the reminder there is that repetition is the only way you're gonna keep from falling back asleep. Is repetition, repetition, and one of his repetitions is the world is not coming to you, it's coming through you. And that is a really great daily reminder to have in mind, and it's certainly one that Lanyon talked at great length here about today. Let me switch this over to chat. Because that, like knowing that the problem already has a solution, is a great way to stay as a purchaser of what Neville would call the pearl. Um, to keep yourself having this absolute faith in your imagination, in your power to express anything you desire. I mean, as long as you're reminding yourself of those sort of things, you're not going to fall into what today Lanyon called mortal thinking or evil thinking. In other words, doubt and you having what you want, because you know that, well, like, what is there greater than God? If what I'm claiming is through the power of God, what power exists that's greater than God that could possibly deny me? Like, reminding yourself of that should instantly stop any negative thoughts, any contrary thoughts. I mean, I guess for people who are new to this, who really don't understand the true weight being discussed here, there's going to be continued faith and belief problems. But once you start accepting that as truth and connecting with that and knowing that all just naturally fades away. All right, so next